Listen, listen, do you hear me? Listen, do you hear me? Help, we need you. Listen to Mother Nature's silent outcry. Have you heard me? These kids pray, trust in their future, in all of us. We kids need your tangible help. Have you heard us? Climate change goes on. Temperature change more than 2 degrees centigrade this century. These beings have to trust in their future, in all of us. We animals need your tangible help. Have you heard us? Climate change is more than 2 times faster than thought and accelerating. Oceans are warming so fast they keep breaking scientists' charts. Have you heard me? Ice caps melt more than 2 times faster than worst forecasts predicted. We beings need our eyes. Your tangible help. Your tangible help. Have you heard us? Forest losses outpace worst UN estimates. Last decade's net losses increased by 62% and more than 80% of original primary forests are lost. Have you heard us? Yearly forest losses of worldwide trend increasing more than 18 million hectares. That's equal to twice the size of Portugal in 1 year, equal to the size of Germany in 2 years, equal to the size of California in 2.5 years, and in 3 years, equal to the size of France. We need your tangible help. Have you seen me? Methane emissions concentration is growing and accelerating. More than 2 times faster than assumed. Air-water pollution at highest level and accelerating. More than 100 billion metric tons of CO2, etc. are dumped into air yearly, and more than 8 million tons of plastic is dumped into oceans yearly. We all need to breathe your tangible help. Have you smelled me? Ocean ocean CO2 content at highest level since 300 million years and accelerating. We need your tangible help. We need your tangible help. Have you heard us? Sea level will rise by more than a meter during the century. Even a rise of 3 meters is possible. Can our kids and we see the future waves coming? Have you heard me? All these are mutually reinforcing, accelerating facts and are our deadly mix for slow, irrevocable dying of biodiversity. You need Mother Nature. Wherever you are, you will be. Have you heard her? Can these babies survive if their mother is poisoned? Babies won't poison their mother, and can't we survive having poisoned our Mother Nature? Can we survive? In which world do you want to live? This everyday fast dying natural world of wonders. Where these beings still live in this wonderful, complex, and interconnected nature. In which world do you want to live? In this new humans-made world being already nearly dead. In this new humans world being already nearly dead. Make your choice and act, but all living has trust in you, in all of us. Of all this being detrimental for our Mother Nature is not changed by your opinion but your example. It's your choice and responsibility now, cause you need Mother Nature wherever you are and you will be. Your conscious knowledge constitutes an obligation to act as an example. Have you heard her now? Continue now by creating an avalanche of human acts. Being part of the great cycle needs your acts and to end, and MyTrees helps to